Phoebe. Oh. Hi, Phoebe. Is that your mommy? She's a rough around the edges, huh? Hi, babies. I'm going to come in and get you in a minute. Are you playing? And your mom's watching me. She knows it. She knows I'm going to come get you. Get your mommy. Whiskers were put on mommies for play toys. They're like built-in feather wands. He loves his mommy. He loves his mommy. Yep, he does. Okay, we'll go wrangle cats and start another video. Ooh. She must know what that means. More later, stay tuned. Oh, cat attack. Bad breath, huh? I'm coming to get them, Elizabeth. They're mine first. Oh, stop. Can't you share them? I'm coming to get them. You gotta share. He likes you. Yeah, he likes you. Alright, because I gotta go get the other little tank back there, and he likes hiding behind you. And since you tipped your box over with those rebels, more later.